In front of me is OPPO A6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by launching your Gboard. Now, if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner, click on gear icon first. Choose voice typing and click on this switcher to activate it. When your switcher is blue, go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Now my favorite part, click on the microphone and when it's on, select tiny icon right next to it. Then hit next, select done, and enjoy using voice typing from this toolbar. You can hold it and move it around to place it wherever you want to. Now operate the same microphone to use voice typing. Use this button here with an X to delete text on the go. Click on this A on the left and get access to all of those options. And last but not least, hit keyboard to go back to standard one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!